has become a little too much. The
Hmm.
videos which I was making for my course,
Huh.
and the hosting which we have bought, and it was not supporting it. Then he suggests me that we need to upgrade the hosting. That's why, and then it happened that last week we just have finalized it, and probably because the video content has become more than 15 something, and I had a space in the hosting like 6 GB something. So now I have upgrade to like 40 GB, so it should not be any problem. I just hope by this month I think I should have finished, because I will show you, though like around 80% of the work in my website is done. uh, I hope I'm audible, madam.
Yes, you are audible. Yeah.
Yeah. So around 80% work in my website is done. Now the thing which is left, the payment integration, which I'm working on it, and the video upload, which has to be happen, and the course upload, which
So,
I had given to him, the editing part, and of course, maybe once everything is been done, I will definitely share my website. Even now, also, if you want to see, I can show it to you. It's like
hmm.
80% done, but all the videos has to come, and everything. And I was just hoping that once everything is done, probably if you feel like, I might ask a testimonial video, and where I want to put in my website, if you because there will be one free course also, and there will be for all the courses, I'm also putting a demo video of all the course, like
Hmm.
around 16 modules. Of 16 modules, one will be free course which will be in YouTube, and 15 courses will have a demo video of the course. So after viewing everything, maybe
Hmm.
I will ask you if you can provide me with one testimonial. I want to put the testimonial video in my website.
A
So
testimonial for what?
like you know what, I want you to go through my website and go through my the videos in the website, the course videos, and like
Mm-hmm.
as a career counselor, and if you think like it really works, and so maybe if I can get on, then I will get it also integrated in the website. Once everything being done, probably, as I said, 80% is done. Now another 20%. So at least I'll have like,
No, no,
I'm
wait, wait,
planning.
wait.
Yeah.
Wait, Dhruv, Dhruv. So what happens is you give testimonial when you have gone through someone's program. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, so otherwise testimonial का कोई value नहीं होता है. What you are asking is an endorsement. जैसे LinkedIn में endorsements आते हैं ना. So it has to be in context. We just cannot put any testimony. I mean, that word is not right. Okay, so what happens is, for me, I'm a process person, right? So
Hmm.
though I know that you are a great learner and you can put me as your mentor on your website, I have no issues with that because you are actually learning from me.
Hmm.
But testimonial on your program, I cannot give because I haven't. It's not my need also, and I have not gone through. Then it will become unethical.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So I hope you understand. Okay,
Yeah.
because
No. No problem.
yeah, because I will never say something that I don't mean. So I cannot give you a false testimonial, number one.
No. No. One more thing I want to clarify on this. I am not asking for a, because in the website itself there will be one free course, for this career planning. So what I was
Mhm.
just expecting, like, you can review the whole course. You can review the whole course, which is free, and there will be also 15 other like a demo course of the
Hmm.
whole course. So
अरे
after
मेरी
viewing
आप बात नहीं
everything,
समझ रहे
yeah,
हैं ध्रुव. See, why would I
yeah.
need career counseling? I'm not the right person to give you testimony.
Okay, 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 okay. I
You
got
know,
it. I got it.
I'm not. Do I need career counseling course from you? No, right?
No,
So
okay.
it is. So
I
you
got
should
it. I
take
got it. I got it. I got it. I
you
got it.
should give your course free to really students. I mean, give it to students and
Okay, okay,
ask
okay,
them
okay.
to give because it is because if somebody sees me, they will say that why Vandana is taking career counseling course from Dhub,
Yes, yes, yes. I got it. I
right?
got it.
So that is why I'm saying that
Yeah, yeah.
no.
No, it's good you have cleared the point, and I do agree, because yeah, your niche and my niche is totally different, and
Correct.
it might not just like, what I said, the correlate with this thing. So probably I
Correct.
think that's a good idea. Maybe yeah, if I get few students or like these
Take
things.
from genuine students, real
Yeah, yeah,
people,
yeah,
okay? That will
yeah.
work for you. This is not going to, in fact, it will become negative for you.
Yes, yes, yes. Now I understand. Yeah, I was not a bit clear, but you made me very clear. Thank you so much. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I
no
got it.
problem at all.
I got it. I got
So
it.
see what? So which learning management system have you hosted? Are you using any learning management system or you're doing everything on your website?
No, actually, see, what happened, as I was telling you, like, because the learning management was getting bit expensive, like, and every month the recurring cost would have been so high. So I knew, like, the guy who's building my website. Then he had his friend who had his own this management,
Huh.
like, and then I just bought it for one time, around 30,000 something, which I paid 30, 35, yeah, around which I paid, and it's a one-time cost.
Okay.
So, and I've seen the demo of this. Remember, I shared with you once, and
Yeah, yeah.
because the monthly expense of, like, 10,000, if I had to go with the Teachable and all, it would have been like, at this point of time, might not be feasible for me. Like, when I didn't even start earning anything. Like, so I didn't opt for Teachable, and I had gone for this around 35, which I paid 35, yeah, 35, 40, something like this, only for this.
Hmm.
But it's a one-time cost. It's a one-time cost which I paid, and then I can upload the courses, and I don't need to pay him again. It's just that's a thing. And though I had the other, like the GoDaddy, I have this domain and this thing, and I've also paid separate hosting again because of this was not uploaded. So this is the thing.
No, but your hosting charges you have considered per annum hosting charges and the GB of the videos that will add on to your hosting charges every year, no?
Yeah, like I think because it's 14,000 I'm paying the hosting charges, because but that's a yearly only for the hosting which I'm paying. And another, I've this from the GoDaddy, I think, because I my website is secure, like I took it like with the certificate HTTPS, so 2,000, so maybe yearly for 16,000 something, which I need to keep in mind for the website. And but this was just one-time cost for this learning management, which I don't need to pay again.
That's all right if it reduces your cost. My
Yeah,
only thing is that if you when you are ready to scale, then you can move on to other systems. But
yeah,
don't, what happens is that all these tools will. I hope their upgrades will be given to you, so it is lifetime. So what happens is they're out of the upgrade. If you don't get the upgrades, your your videos will slow down. All these challenges you face, but
yeah,
by that time if you have made some money you can always move to
yeah,
standard
yeah, yeah,
system, but it's okay, at least you are getting started. You found ways
yeah,
to keep you
because
going. That is important, so
yeah.
good.
And I've seen he had also had like, the person whom I bought, I told him, like, just to review, give me his product demo, like where he have already installed, other people was doing an Instagram course and all this. Then I had seen one of the whole thing, and I see the video was okay, like he had
Okay.
uploaded the course in his platform, and I've seen the review of that whole course. And then I was quite
Okay.
happy that there was no video lagging and everything, like, the same similar thing, like, you can put a questions, you can ask a comment from the. So I've seen that there you can do similar things. At the same time, like, I was also planning to put website in the certificate. Once people complete the course, they can download this. So everything I can see, like, it can be integrated, like, so that is
Okay.
so
Okay, good.
I just hope it just
Good,
work well.
good.
I just hope it works well. That's
I don't worry, you're putting effort. Why it should work. Okay. So Facebook campaigns and all, have you started?
right now, actually, I'm not thinking to do any Facebook campaigning, but maybe I will uh, like I will try to put like ad through Instagram, like just promote, self promote. But right now, because I feel like if you don't have your online presence, unless you are having your online presence and then you just suddenly jump into Facebook ad, people will not know you. So I'm trying to make a content, and I'm just trying to put a content, and maybe have my online presence first, you know
Yeah.
uh, like creating content on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Facebook, like I have created a Facebook group, and also like to create more of YouTube videos, like, which I have also
But
done.
still have a landing page and get collect the leads. Don't waste your.
Yeah, yeah. I had also get this email software I purchased, and which I'm going, which will be integrated in my website from the Get Response. So anybody coming, and there will be also free, like, like anybody visiting the website, like I'll be trying to get their free leads. because they can download the, first of all, the free things which will be there in the website. There's so many things they can download. Also, they can get the free codes. So as soon as they got they get all these things. And then also I'm putting this thing. There will be a Candly link where 30 minutes of career counseling one-to-one session will be given free. Like, one-to-one session, I'll be taking 30 minutes, which will be free. And from there also, I'll see like if I can convert them to career counseling, or if I can pursue them to buy the course. So that will be one, there'll be so many things like, so from there, if I get the leads, I've got this email software which will be integrated, and then I will try to see how much, how to take it further. From
Good.
there.
Good. Instead of 30 minutes, make it 15 minutes on Calendly.
Like it's a beginning, which I'm doing. And I find like if 15 minutes, if I give, like maybe just by the introduction only. Yeah,
Friendly.
maybe, yeah, I know. Yeah, maybe after 15 days, if I see, if I can't manage and if there are too many people, maybe I will reduce it. But that's just the beginning, and I'm just starting it. That's the reason, like I put 30 minutes, and because I feel maybe just the conversation might start, and within 15 minutes, you might not come into conclusion. But at least after 30 minutes, I feel that, whether it can be yes or it can be no. At least they'll have more time. And as I'm also doing in the beginning, like I'm just trying this whole thing. So it's better I give them more. And later, if I see that, I have too many people, I have too many clients, like if I can't, then I might reduce it to 15 minutes. But I
No,
think in the
all right.
beginning, yeah, it's beginning, and I feel like to give them the best of the values, to so that they know what they are going to get. I can explain them about myself or about the things, the career, even the report of the career counseling also, which I'm going to, is like 75 pages plus report, and then after the career counseling also, like it will be like more than 1 hour sessions. So I can tell them about this. So I think it might need a little time. So that's why I thought, let me put 30 minutes. So that at least they will understand the whole thing, the whole platform, the whole thing, which I'm going to explain to them. And if they have
All
any
right.
questions, they can ask me. So,
All the see, I am every Tuesday 9 p.m. Because now I have changed my strategy. I've stopped doing the 5-day WhatsApp classes.
mhm.
I am actually running a automation funnel on my. I'm giving my courses free. That 2,999 I used to sell, no knowledge business model.
Mhm.
That I'm running a free mini course. Not it's not a mini course. It's a full-fledged course, full online worth 10,000 free. So
Mhm.
I am going to be doing business satsang every Tuesday.
Okay, okay.
So it is open for everybody, the paid customers who are already in, free customers, because I'm mostly trying to do it like a Q&A,
Mhm.
where somebody wants the website to be reviewed. It's a group kind of a session, free. So you can whatever wherever you have stuck new questions. Now when you start doing your influence building videos, you if you're not getting the necessary views, or you will have next set of questions. So I'm keeping this Tuesdays 9 p.m. for any kind of Q&A, reviews, whatever it is. And then I'm actually opening up a membership site. I'm opening up a membership which will be paid, which is like a premium content, the way I used to give the content before. And it will be a lifetime membership or an annual membership, where weekly once I'm going to be covering, powerful marketing strategies, whatever is in trend. So more, it will be more, it's like a learn and apply kind of like how I did my past 4 business satsang series, right? Where solid content was there.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. I got it.
So that way I'm converting because this 5-day WhatsApp class becomes very tiring. 30
Yeah,
days
because,
already also for me.
yeah, your class goes so long. Maybe that's the thing. Like you don't see the time. Maybe.
Yeah. So, but good thing is that there's a lot of enough content created and very powerful content created. So in a way, it has helped only. So now I just want to structure it in a different manner, completely different manner. So I can save on my time, my energies, and also see what happens is in the conversion 199, because teachers, trainer, coaches, the Facebook is charging a lot. So minimum 3x, 2x is my price, right? So I realized that I've spent close to 5 lakh rupees in the last 6 months in Facebook for a 199 program. Okay. So if my goal is to reach more people. My goal is not to make more money for myself, right? So the idea is now I am happy with the content, and I realized that even if you have the best content, if people don't take action, nothing changes in their life.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
I have created so much content, so I don't want to keep it lying dead in my learning management system. Okay, so I am opening up my content completely free for people, or I'm only going to be doing personal consulting only. Henceforth, I will not do group consulting. I will not everything about my group program. Everything I'm going to pre-record, and either I'm going to price it very nominally, or whatever can be given free, I'm going to give it completely free, because I've created so much content and such a useful content, and I want it to reach out to more and more people. So I just want to twice in a week I want to come live, which is one free session. So those who can't afford, or those who want to learn or have their own set of challenges, they are most welcome in the group in the free sessions. And those who want more powerful learnings, next level growth, more latest in trend content, because I keep upgrading myself, I keep investing in my learnings. Recently, I had signed up with Blair Singer's program also. So there are a lot of new things, new ways of doing things that I learned. So I'm just going to be doing that for people who want me to be their mentor, because I also realized with my past experience that you need a mentor for at least 6 months to 1 year. Okay, even 30 days challenge. What happens is, because I've dedicated my time to that. After that, I'll move on to next batch. And then what happens is, if people have not stayed on course on 30 days, they are again lost in their journey, and I'm not happy about it. Right. So I realized that you need a mentor not only just 6 months. That is the main time you will need. That time people can come on personal stuff, but you need to continuously learn if you're not an entrepreneur. There are so much of business insights that is there, and there are so much of things happening in the world. There are programs like $25,000, $40,000, 45,000 US dollars, right? So if I am learning from the best, I want to share, right? So I am thinking of being a lifelong mentor. So you become every week one session, learn, apply, learn, apply. That way, people will grow, because mindset shifts will happen. Lot of you will get powerful strategies. You will get latest stuff, right? So it is like people will come, learn, and then they can keep applying in their business. So for me also, I'll be happy, because there will be significant growth. Even if 1 year somebody has attended my sessions, there will be significant growth in their life, in business, so many things. Because when we have seen in the past session that in 2 hour session, there's so much of learnings that come in, but we can make it structured, short bites, so that people can absorb that and apply it in their business.
Yeah, that's true.
So I am changing the way I am working, because I am not like a typical coach. Hi, Apsara, nice to see you. Apsara,
Hi, actually, my room is quite a mess.
doesn't matter. This is a gupshup. This is no, we are very few people in the call. I also did not promote today's thing, because I resumed after a long gap.
Mhm.
So I also didn't know how long I will be able to talk, because I talk for long, I start coughing. So I didn't promote. So it is a very, I knew few people who will come. So for them only, I did this session, because I wanted to resume. So don't worry about that. Your yoga class is not there.
No, actually, she had an surgery, so I am taking a pause.
What surgery?
Gallbladder, I think.
Oh, okay.
So, and I was taking things slow because there are deaths in my family. More than 6 people are COVID positive,
Oh,
and my area is, I mean, every family is someone who is COVID positive or hospitalized.
oh.
Kolkata
Are
is
you in Kolkata,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Hmm.
and there is nothing like lockdown, nothing curfew. No one is taking care of themselves. They are not using mask, so it's a very bad situation over here.
I know.
Yeah, and the political rallies
They will again get the same kind of people.
have. So yeah, but finally, my website is live. My company website is live. I have forwarded you the video, and by the way,
Yeah.
I have created the video on Canva only.
Yeah, it's beautiful, lovely. Wait, let me share my screen. I'll share, and then we can look at, because it's a very short video, less than a minute video.
Yeah, it's kind of teaser.
Sorry, the teaser, yeah.
Yeah.
So I
So
just had,
have
so now
changed some strategies,
sorry.
whatever I have learned from you, but I have strategized it in a different way. There's a particular part section in my website where people can join my writers team, but if they are like freshers, they can learn from me and they can do the internship.
Wait, you complete. Yeah, they can learn. Yeah, so now you wanted to say something, complete that, then I will just play this.
Yeah, actually what I have done that, the entire site, the company's name is Borrowed Pen, as you already know that, and
Yeah.
they can join my team if they are experienced writer. But if they are not experienced, they don't know how to write content and what is SEO and keywords, everything. So I will be like teaching them the entire thing, but whatever I am taking as the in return they are going to get the internship. It will be a paid internship and they can join my team. So
Yes.
the USP is that only.
And so good, but now let's see. I have some comments on your video because it is just 48 seconds. I'm going to play it so others can also watch. Yeah, I know this music is in Canva. It's very good. It looks good. Okay, professional edits. So see, I would also suggest you're directly giving your number. Now, how will you see? This is the problem, right? If suppose 100 people want to connect with you, how will you track them? How will you maintain them? So it is better that you create a landing page. नहीं तो इंस्टा मोजो का कुछ अगर लैंडिंग पेज का सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं लेना है, बट आप तो वेबसाइट वाले लोग हो ना, तो आपको तो you can make just a static page on your website. You don't even have to get a landing page, right?
Right.
I will show you something on my website, which is not a landing page, but it is a static page, which is like a landing page. So because that will help you reduce your cost. So what will happen is you can channelize all your leads into your list. That you're missing because in this video you have not given वीडियो यूट्यूब आपने कहीं भी कुछ लैंडिंग पेज नहीं दिया. दूसरा ये नंबर देने की बजाय ना, see if it is a personal number, people are going to drive you mad. Okay, so you give your WhatsApp chat link number. A chat link number मतलब chat link, not number, chat link. Okay.
Yeah, chat link. Yeah.
So what happens is मेरा किधर गया WhatsApp इधर. So link. So what will happen is they will not know your number, but they will get connected. Only after connecting they will have your number. So your number is not publicly available like this. Right. You always send invite via link, right? That way you can have. Okay. That is one input I had for you. And other and get a landing page. Let me show on my website.
Yeah, I have just shared my website with you.
Okay. Let me. So I wouldn't. I don't remember.
Your landing page is in my bookmark bar. I always keep it in front of me to get inspired.
My landing page.
Yeah.
Okay. No, not that. What I did was, when I gave my work to agency, they were using their funnel software, Swipe Pages and Unbounce. I did not take a ClickFunnels account because I had and I didn't use it, right? So what happened is when their account got logged, all my pages got gone, right? Whatever effort was gone whatever effort was there was gone. So but two of my functional landing pages, they actually moved to another software. So then I decided to have a backup and wait, let me show the link. So but this I also, if those who want to save their costs, those who don't want to spend money on funnel, on the landing pages of ClickFunnels and Swipe Pages and all those things, what you guys can do is you can simply create a static page like a landing page on your website.
Yeah.
Wait, let me. I'm going. So I got that made from my team. See this one. Okay. So whether it is there on. See. So this was what was running before. So why waste whatever has been created, because this was working and we got results also, right? So I just made it on my website vandanamehrotra.com/WhatsApp. It is just a page, right? But it takes you to the InstaMojo page or whatever, right? So you can always do something like create a landing page. It need not be so elaborate. You can, even I've created thank you page like that, right? Whatever. So because I created multiple thank you pages, and it helps. Next time when I'm working with others, it helps. To just show them that this is something like this that I want. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Or website. कहाँ भेजा वेबसाइट?
No, Zoom पे मैंने शेयर किया चैट में.
Hi Aman, we were talking about you when we started the session today.
Hi Vandana, okay.
Yeah, good to see you too. So we have Apsara, Shalini, and I. A very less number of participants in today's session because I just wanted to keep it little chotu motu. I didn't want it to broadcast to many people because, as you know, I'm just resuming. So I just wanted to just get back on this. Dhruv, Shalini, Apsara, these are all my past program participants. Aman is a latest addition to the group. Okay, so Aman just he had attended 5-day WhatsApp class in November, but he wanted personal consulting. So last week we had our personal consulting sessions. Okay, so we are just going over Apsara's website.
WhatsApp team. Yeah.
हाँ, मैंने कर लिया, इधर आ गया. You can see my screen, right?
Right.
Okay, nice.
तो आज रात को ही मैं वो लैंडिंग पेज मैं क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ जहाँ से मैं हर कोई वो कोर्स का पेज जो है देख सकेगा. तो मैं वो बना
But every video you create na, every video you create, you give that landing page link. Don't waste even that is what I keep on saying. My system has become very slow, I think.
Okay.
Because my system is running low on cache memory, I need to do some cleanup. So yeah, whenever you're doing videos, always give some link in the description to your website or to a landing page. Okay, so you're not wasting, you're collecting the leads there.
So there also, I am actually building the entire thing. I have not hired any agency or anything. So that is why I am just editing the entire thing. So there are so many things that needs to be changed. But like the testimonials part and everything, those are just demo content.
But I like the look and feel of your website. It's very nice. The color combinations are very nice.
Yeah.
But
here the learn more will be taking the interested people to the landing page, the course landing page, where I am just connecting with my InstaMojo account and everything.
But you also have your video that you created here, because अभी इधर एक भी video नहीं है इस website पे.
No, वो वाला शायद about में है.
नहीं, but ये home page.
हाँ, home page पे होना चाहिए.
Content writer हो, home page is the most visited page on planet Earth. You make sure that your home page is like a landing page. Right. Okay. So you should be there talking about what Borrowed Pen is all about. Okay. It looks very nice, professional website, but make sure in the first view you are there. Okay, where your face is visible, a video is there which talks about the work that you do.
Right.
Okay, that is very important because आपके websites, but मेरा तो नया insight ये है कि जो landing page पे जैसा content लिखते हैं ना हम, वैसा ही website पे होना चाहिए. that homepage should be exactly like that. See, I'm going to show you. See, right now, we have built a new we are building a new automation funnel. So हमने उसका landing page. Though I'm working with people who build, right? But I designed the entire landing page. I will show you. There are 2 landing pages that we have done. इसके पास I just shared some, so I'm going to show you 2 things. एक ये अभी देखो ये एक लैंडिंग पेज बनाया था, इसमें इतना सारा, जबकि कंटेंट अच्छा है बट ये क्लटर्ड लगता है. दिस and we experiment. I knew this landing page is not going to give me much results because it is so much of content here and I don't like such flashy stuff.
Yeah.
Now this is done by the people I'm working for my automation, okay? And it did not, it was not converting that well. And then I changed it to this. Okay. Very simple one. Right. And this is converting very well. Okay. The text. Yeah, the way we have done it. वही content है, लेकिन देखो आगे पीछे किया है थोड़ा. The way we positioned it, but the first page looks, see, get complete online course absolutely free. Now
ये black red and white ये वैसे भी ये बहुत converting colors भी है.
Converting color, correct. So this is converting very well for us. Okay, so look at this. So if your idea, see, only difference is in your website you will not be selling anything like this. There no call for action will not be there, but the content of your website. The content of your website should be in that flow. What is the problem? You get the attention of people with their pain. Then tell them what is it they're going to get from you. Give them a glimpse of your story on the home page. See, now Jay Shetty's page, because Aman's work is, Aman is a life and happiness coach. The first time I explored Jay Shetty's page because Aman wanted me, I was just asking his from who his inspiration. Even Tony Robbins' page I didn't explore before, so I looked at it. So in fact, I have been wanting to create my homepage on those lines. He's just talking his story on the full homepage. Go and visit jayshetty.com, right? So what happens is people don't have time. Currently your website is very corporate website, which is very nice.
No, the plan behind is this particular website is for my clients only. So in that course part, it will be redirecting to my personal site where the landing page will be just like yours.
Great. So you create apsarapallit.com and then you direct them, right? And in Apsara Pallit personal brand, make sure you cover, remember the ETR you shared with me and everything that you put on the personal strategy sheet. If you do all of that, it is so powerful because that clarity is there. No, why you want to do this?
Right.
You have that clarity why you want to do this, right? So yeah, all right. Anything else? Any questions you have for me, Apsara? Then I'll move on to Aman.
Not right now.
I hope others are learning. So the whole idea is real insights, right? Into your. After doing so many sessions, I've realized that there is no point in simply talking from one side and giving so much content, right? I realize that it is important that that I review your work, get your questions and address them because the content will come out of it. Right. When I just looked at your website in a video, right, there is so much of already you got landing page should be there. Direct them to your. Don't leave it like that because you're wasting views. You're wasting views otherwise. You're simply wasting all the effort that you are putting. So you have to make sure that whatever content you are creating, you are directing them to one funnel, which is either your website, and from website, you will direct them to something else. So that continuation has to be there. Always you are directing what they will do next. You're not leaving up to them. The moment you have kept it, you have closed the loop. So they watch your video, they are gone. But through the video, if you direct them to your website, you are getting a website, what do you say, people visiting your website. Right from there, you can take them to landing page. You have converted them into your funnel. You can, from there, you can take them into your live sessions. So that full, what do you say, workflow, or what do you say, the lead, the flow of the lead. Anybody has interest, you should get them into your system. If you simply give your phone number, again it becomes outdated ways of working, right? That how will you, if hundreds of people come on your website or look at that video and want to get connected with you, how will you manage that?
Yeah.
And then setting up the necessary email automation. So right now with this free course that I'm sharing, the landing page that I shared with you guys, right? We have set up an automation email for an entire month. And it has come out so beautiful. We are not selling anything. We are not selling anything in that entire month. But it is all content that is useful, because there's so many people doing this. And if you don't do things differently, people will simply ignore you, even though you are good. So it is very important that you look at what's in it for them, what's in it for your clients, right? So if you simply first email onward, you start selling, buy my program, $299, $499, $999, $3,000, it is like continuously selling, right? People are tired, fed up of that. The market is already saturated. So
Yeah, right.
it is so easier to be a giver in the online world, that okay, give them your bonuses via emails, give them what they need via email. There is no need to sell. There is absolutely no need to sell, because if you are good, they will only come and tell you, how can I work with you? Is that a better space to be in, on rather than selling you, rather doing sales from this side? If it's such a beautiful space when people who are in your tribe come back and tell you, I want to work with you, right? So that is the way. If you orient yourself that way, you're going to grow in this space. And I think you have all the potential to do it. And I'm very super happy with your progress, Apsara. Okay, good evening, Mehboob Hussain. So we are just having a very small gupshup session, actually, more than business satsang. But satsang is also happening in the form of looking at where the people have stuck. So very nice to see you. How are you doing?
I am doing good. How are you, Vandana?
I'm also doing great. So I've resumed these sessions after a month's break.
Right.
Yeah, I actually was COVID positive week of 17th March to that period. 21st March somewhere I got infected, and then I kind of was just put everything on hold. But I was doing this business satsang. We had great 4 sessions.
Okay.
Full content there. So maybe I'll share the links with you. I'm not sure if you are there in the business satsang group.
No, I am there in the Telegram. I'm there in the group.
You are there in the Telegram group, so you would have got access to the previous sessions. So you may just want to go over there.
Sure.
So right now I'm orienting these sessions to more like Q&A, reviews, wherever people have got stuck, what is getting them stuck, and how they can move forward.
Right.
So let's hear it from Aman, and then we'll move on to you. Aman, you have any questions?
So actually, I joined in last minute. I didn't come with any agenda.
Yeah.
So is it okay if I ask one question with reference to advertising? I think that's same.
Of course, this is outside our personal thing. This is free for everyone. Anyone can come and ask anything they want to ask. Please go ahead.
So should I share that link with you, and you can maybe share your views on that? Is that okay?
Yeah, LinkedIn link you had shared, right?
Yeah, I just wanted to know how that is as a.
Yeah, you shared that link in the chat box, so and then I will open that up.
Okay, just hold on 1 second.
Otherwise, I have it in the WhatsApp. Maybe I can only.
Whatever you prefer, you tell me.
Putting it here. I hope all of you can see my link, my desktop, my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So yeah, I went through it and I wanted to give some input, but then I got engaged with something else. So let's review it here. Good. So it's a good learning for everyone. Aman,
I had sent it from a new number, so maybe you haven't saved that number.
I didn't save that number. Yes.
Should I send it again, the message?
ये यहीं पर ही है ना, सामने ही रहेगा, ये रहा, मिल गया, अमन चंद्रा LinkedIn, right?
Correct.
Right. So now this is a very powerful input that I'm going to give all of you. Okay, I'm reviewing Aman's work, but it is relevant for everyone, right? So, Aman, working professionals, right? These are again a very broad category,
Okay.
right? You could simply say, professionals with under 5 to 10 years of experience, or you could say professional with 15 to 20 years of experience. Okay, make it more, what do you say, narrow it down further.
Okay.
Now, because working professional mein to abhi, I am little bit exaggerating my words, but suppose, Swiggy ka delivery boy bhi LinkedIn par hai, wo bhi to working professional hai.
Correct.
Right. So it's, हमारा retail staff LinkedIn पर है, they are also working professionals, but you have a very specific working professionals in mind, right? People
Right.
with 15 years, 10 years, freshers, whatever, whatever is your thing, right? Now, the moment you start, if I offer to help you, okay, no, never start with what you can do. They want to know what is, how are they going to get benefited? You
Okay.
have straight away gone into the benefits.
Okay.
You have to first get their pain, right? We discussed this, right? Attention comes in the form of pain, right?
Okay.
So what is the pain? Just one question is enough. Pain question. You don't have to write 3 pain questions. So you just simply write what is the pain you are solving for them.
Work pressure and stress at
Yeah.
workplace.
Yeah. Has working from home during COVID-19 increased your stress and work-related pressure? And
Okay.
is that causing an imbalance in your life as well as work?
Okay.
Right?
Right.
Okay. Now, what we have done? We have got their attention. Okay.
Right.
Now,
Right.
would you like to 2x your peace of mind within a week, within 1 week? Now, there is one more very powerful learning that I'm going to give all of you. Wherever you are saying we are taking people on a next level, then you, instead of saying 3 months, because 3 is a smaller number, you say 90 days. Okay? But whenever you are helping people overcome something, you say within 1, because 1 is a smaller number, 1 week. Don't put 7 days.
Right.
Right? So because people just, these are psychology of customers, right? Oh, 1 week, right? But 7 days, it's like that. Do you
Right.
understand? So now, actually, this is something which was not in. I mean, this is some very new input that I'm giving. I've never discussed this across any of the batches so far. Even in personal consulting, also this has not come. This is the first time I'm talking about this with the group. Okay, that whenever you are helping people overcome something. So if you say I'll help you set up your Facebook funnel in 4 hours.
Right.
Versus you say that one, with a 4 session, you can say a 4-day program to learn Facebook marketing.
Right.
4 hours and 4 days ho gaya hai, right?
Correct.
So like Gopal has a 4-hour Facebook funnel, right? But we can't create your Facebook campaign in 4 hours. Everybody knows that.
Right.
Right, but then it becomes a great marketing statement. People want to see, he's addressing the pain that Facebook takes time, so he's giving a fast forward way to Facebook, but actually it's a 15-day program.
Correct.
Right. So the point here is you narrow down your target audience, you get their attention with their pain and immediately telling them that would you like to reduce, would you like to 2x your peace of mind in just 1 week,
Right.
right? Because you and this is again very powerful learning, guys, okay, which I've shared with my 30-day participants and my personal consulting people, but I'm going to repeat it now. And this is a huge insight, okay, that I will give you free copy of my book on entrepreneurship. Okay, I'm writing this, okay, I will give you a free copy of my book on entrepreneurship. One way of saying this statement. Other way of saying the same statement is you will get a free copy of my book on entrepreneurship. I will give versus you will get. Remember this. Remember this forever. Whenever you are writing, I will give. Yeah, Shalini, go ahead, no problem. I will give versus you will get. Always put. Now, I offered to help you, right? It's like if you are able to beat work pressure and stress. Got it?
Right. Got it.
So now you will change that, okay? You will
Yeah.
change that, and then
These
rest of
3
the
points are okay. The 3 points that I mentioned.
yeah, those are benefits that which is good. So hi there, I'm Aman here, and I will help you.
Okay.
To to increase your resilience by 50%, whatever it is, right? You
Okay.
always give the benefits after your name, or you can give it before also. That doesn't. I mean, it depends on the flow how it is coming. Okay.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
there is no hard and fast rule like this, but would you like, if you are able to beat work pressure and stress with 50% this, then I invite you to work, whatever it is, then I invite you to connect with me. Okay. Don't use word like offer and stuff like this here. Okay. Because this offer is a very, what do you say, a very highly corrupted word right now.
Okay.
So don't use it. Just say, I invite you to connect with me. Hi, I am Aman. So connect with me kaise hoga? They have to come to your website, landing page, contact number. You don't have to say that, would you take up that offer?
Okay.
Okay. So no, you don't, this sentence you have to remove. Okay. So
Okay.
hi, I'm Aman here, your bulletproof happiness coach, which is good. Rest of the things is okay. Okay.
Okay.
I like that. Okay. What you've written, it's good.
ठीक है.
See, join my exclusive tribe, right?
Yeah.
A more powerful word is let's connect. Again, ये selling statement है. All you have to do is join my exclusive tribe. Okay? ये बहुत ही selling words है. So let's connect at the Bulletproof Happiness Club, where I will be sharing with you. So you don't see, when this is the first thing that you are sending, it should not be sales language, should not be so obvious here.
Okay.
Okay. In the offer, when you make in the live sessions or in the recorded session, there you can use all these words. But in the first, when you are, this is the influence building stuff, right? You're trying to get people's attention on your offering. Don't be write this statement, because these statements put people off nowadays, because itne sare programs market mein and everybody is selling something or the other. The moment you see that, you feel, oh, one more, right? They should feel, they should get curious to connect with you, and connect is a powerful word. Let's connect.
ठीक है.
Let's connect at a Bulletproof, right? I'll be working with you 1:1, where you can achieve your exact goals, just as I have done with 100 of Tribe. But now my question to you is, are you trying to build influence, or are you trying to sell something? First, get clarity on that. Okay.
Okay.
Because first, it is very important that you build some influence first.
Okay.
Given some knowledge sharing videos on LinkedIn, say for a month, for 21 days back to back, every day you have given some great knowledge sharing videos, how to handle stress, how to do this, how to do that. Okay. And very subtly you have said you can connect with me and direct them to your website. That's all.
Okay.
Now, this looks like an ad copy, right? So now you need to be very clear on your intent, whether it is an influence building video or it is a lead generation video.
Okay, this one was a lead generation post only. It was meant for generating leads.
Yeah, but if you have not built enough influence, this lead generation, you may not get many. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So why even waste our sales thing? You know, first build your tribe here, build a following here, and then you said something like this, people will sign up.
okay,
You know what happens is there are two. See, first either you do an I don't know if this is the first post in LinkedIn or you've already built your credibility on LinkedIn and then you have earned the right to share, you know, what you do. Okay. In
okay,
terms of doing the sales. Otherwise, the best way is to use Facebook campaigns to sell. Those things should happen there. Okay.
okay,
And use LinkedIn and YouTube, all these places to build your influence. Now, the strategy for building your influence is very different from sales strategy.
right,
As in influence building, your goal is positioning yourself as an expert where people want to work with you, creating an interest to work with you. When
okay,
you are creating your content with that mindset on influence building platforms, be it podcast, be it YouTube, be it LinkedIn post, videos, your agenda is totally, your mindset is I am doing this to position myself as an expert with the great knowledge content that I'm going to share. And I want people to get connected to me. And I
okay,
want people to be curious to know what I have to say gradually. Because and then you have to schedule your videos every day. एक महीना करोगे तो you have built enough influence. No sales is
okay,
happening there. Nothing. You're simply directing them to your website and you can have a landing page on your website. If your Facebook campaign is going on, from the website you can channel, they can on their own land up on that landing page.
Can you
Okay.
repeat that from Facebook or LinkedIn?
No. So you have shared a great video on how to handle stress during COVID times. That is an influence building video.
Right,
Okay. And then you would say you can you can just say I'm your happiness coach, and then you can just in bracket give your website. You don't even say check out my website, explore my website, nothing.
right.
In
This is on
bracket, give
LinkedIn.
your website. Huh?
This is on LinkedIn, right?
Yeah, on LinkedIn, whatever post you have done right now. So I'm saying that build your influence on LinkedIn like this. Don't sell anything for 30 days. Okay, I would just keep sharing your content, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, solid content. Okay, and then you can always say you can connect with me and give Aman ka. You ya to give. I had give. You were not. I know. I'm not sure if you were there when I gave that input to Apsara. That instead of giving your number, just give that join link for your WhatsApp number. It's not a group,
Right.
it's your own, right? So
Yeah,
you can say,
Vandana, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry to interrupt. Actually, I have a meeting from 10. So
I know,
need
go ahead, Apsara,
Okay.
no problem. Thank you so much for joining. And every
Yeah,
Tuesday, 9 p.m., we will have these sessions. So please feel free to join in.
yeah, sure. Yeah.
Take care. Take care. I'm very
Good
happy,
night.
super happy with your progress, Apsara.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That means
and
a
the
lot.
work also. And the work, I love the website. I love the video. Nice work. Okay.
Thank you.
Good job. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, carry on. So the point here is, yeah. So build your influence on LinkedIn, build your influence on YouTube, use Facebook. See, LinkedIn also you have that sales navigator and stuff like that, right? So I haven't explored LinkedIn much, but I'm saying that there is subtle selling happening here where you give the content, you say connect with Aman, direct them to Aman's website. On the website, that is why the website has to be oriented in such a way that in the first view of your website itself, there is an option to access my free course. Remember we discussed?
Yep, yep.
So what has happened is वो LinkedIn से है, लेकिन आपने website पे direct किया, and you have got that person in your funnel.
Right.
Not even selling anything.
ठीक है.
ये सब automation में हो रहा है. So this is whatever you are doing, your intent is to capture an interest and get them into your CRM. That list, if you, because you're using a CRM, I know, but जैसे मेरा get response या active campaign ConvertKit, whatever is that list building software we are going to, whatever you are setting up, okay. The intent is see the moment they click on, and even if you don't have an autoresponder, if you are using Teachable, that lead will be captured. Only thing is you will not have their numbers. And numbers are important because आपको उनको automated call भेजना है, WhatsApp में डालना है. So it is important to capture. That is why, or create it like a free course from InstaMojo. Right? So because in InstaMojo, they will have to give their name, contact details.
ठीक है.
And then direct them to Teachable from there. That is why
ठीक है.
I want you to come on Teachable. Even see, there are a lot of advantages of working with. See, Teachable personally, I would say, but till today I struggle. I'm not very happy with the user interface. So because I'm a software person, I'm coming from software industry, and I am always I have given you so much inputs on the number of clicks, reduce the number of clicks and all, right? See, Swiggy में अगर Paytm से payment करना है, 2 click में order place होता है, 2 click में, that's all. Right?
Correct.
So the simplicity should be there. Okay. So now what happens is if you are on these the Teachable, but because now I have some comfort level, I know the features, I know how it integrates with InstaMojo, and without even using Zapier, an automation tool, or Pabbly, this is another automation tool. How I can still deliver the courses? It can be done for any LMS. Okay. But I know that these are the common combinations people are using. So when certain so even Teachable has enhanced their first they didn't have the InstaMojo what do you say integration. Now they have that integration also, because a lot of people use that combination. All these digital marketers keep promoting that, whatever it is. So such tools help, and you just can be on the $39 per month Teachable version, but it simplifies a lot of things in your life.
Okay.
Right, that whole path, all you need is InstaMojo, which is free, or you need a learning management system, even with Zenler, that new Zenler. But I am not comfortable, right? So though I love that product, I am on a paid version also right now, but I am still yet to explore its entirety and talk to people about it. Okay, and how to use it. So once I'm ready with that, I'm actually going to be taking one session on that also, how to use that. But it's in my list. I don't know when I'm going to close it. But the thing is that right now I am on 2 LMS. One I'm not using, simply exploring, and I didn't want to miss that offer. So I signed up, right? But I know, but still right now the automation funnels are happening on Teachable. All you need is a Facebook campaign. Use YouTube, LinkedIn, podcast if you want to do, okay, anchor.fm or whatever, SoundCloud, whatever it is, and direct everyone from there to your website. And on the website, have that mini course, your full course, mini course, whatever we discussed. This input is for everyone. Have a freebie where they give their name and email, but you should have a mechanism to collect that. You need to have a mechanism to collect that, either via autoresponder, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Aweber, Active Campaign, whichever autoresponder you guys want to be on, and or InstaMojo, or just create a static landing page. I don't know where you were there, Aman, when I showed my static page.
I saw those 2 things. One previous and one new one.
Yeah, my team, yeah, it is not on any funnel. It is just a page which I built on built on my website. Yeah, this one. This is a thank you page. This one, this is not on any funnel building software like Swipe Pages or Unbounce or ClickFunnels. But I do have a ClickFunnels account, and this is built on ClickFunnels. I'm working with some profit. This is also built on ClickFunnels. But I've also built it. This is another way. If your money is a challenge, you want to spend, not invest little wisely at this stage, then you can simply on your website, you can create something like, whatever is your course, and just in the form of a landing page. Okay. And it takes you to the, and this is a, this write something about that course, whatever free course, and just take the, when they click on this, it goes to either your InstaMojo, or it goes to your list building autoresponder, wherever, that different workflows are there.
Right.
Right. So this is also one way if you're just having one program or multiple program, or you don't want to invest in ClickFunnels, because they're all see, all these tools are very good, but at marketing when you are ready to scale. But now when in the beginning, for 50, 100, 200 even 500, less than 1,000 people, you just need InstaMojo, you need LMS, you need Facebook campaign, and you need to build your influence on LinkedIn or whatever, wherever you're building, writing your content post. You simply get them on the I was actually sharing my screen, but I looks like I didn't. Was I sharing my screen?
No.
Okay. I wanted to show that page on my screen. This one.
I also wanted to ask you one thing about the overall strategy.
Yeah, go ahead.
So when we talk about creating a funnel and targeting thousands of people, what about the option of going straight away and targeting people who are likely to convert at a high ticket price?
Absolutely your call.
Is that a viable option? Have you seen that working before?
You mean doing a conversion campaign in Facebook, right?
Not just on Facebook specifically, I'm talking about it as a strategy. So instead of targeting, let's say 1,000 people who will first enter your funnel on a, let's say 199 program, then they will go ahead and maybe join your next level program. Not approaching people who would be okay to join a high value program in the first go.
No, okay, no. So let me tell you, this is my what do you say? A very insight which I got, which is very painful insight. Okay, very painful insight that what you just now said, that those kind of people are not even 1% people in the market.
Okay.
Okay, that सीधा high ticket पे आ जाओ मेरे पहली बारी बात करके. People in online will not trust you. Strangers will not come on your high ticket. That is why that conversion funnel is there, that people who just simply want to check out, you are giving them a free course. Then after that, you invite them to your live sessions, and when they hear you and some of them will feel like working with you, they will come to your next level. And out of that, somebody still wants to work more with you, then they will come on your personal or group, whatever offer you have. So now you are monetizing all the three levels. First is monetization, not as in monetization, but you have generated a free lead, na? So that is also monetization only, right? So I am saying you have a mix of everything. Okay. So I have seen that even you are. See, I believe I am one of the best in the market, not just in India with the content that I have. Okay, but people don't even buy that 15,000 30-day challenge here. So many people come, I've trained 1,000 people, but to make that 15,000 ka sale itself is like so difficult. I used to think that itna dene ke baad people should understand and join on their own. Why do I have to sell? And that is why I'm saying it's a painful insight that, that people don't realize that sale has to happen and you will have to do the selling part. And even though you are the best, okay, Tony Robbins ka bhi koi height, I know Tony Robbins, is where, I really want to work personally with his coaches only. And I know his high ticket program because I haven't attended even single Tony Robbins program, so I don't know what is the ticket size. But do you think people go directly to his high ticket? Only billionaires go to his high ticket. Otherwise, people go first level, whatever low ticket program. अगर Tony Robbins का भी है तो आप देखते हो कि सस्ता वाला कौन सा है, 15,000 का, 22,000 का, as a first timer. Right? After that, you move to the next level and next level. Provided you are a billionaire and you don't want to be among the crowd and you want exclusive time of Tony Robbins, you're willing to pay his price, then you go directly there, high ticket. Right? But ye jo, what do you say, 96% of the people in the world, 96 more, actually more than 98% of people in the world follow this approach. वो फूक के कदम रखने वाला. Okay? So even though they know that you can do a great job with them, they will still not sign up on your, only people who know you. Only people who know you for 5, 6 years, 7 years, they will immediately sign up with you for high ticket.
So this long process which you said is painful. Is it worth it? I mean, have you found it tiring or is it this? How do you go about it again and again then?
No, so it depends, right? It depends on individual goal, someone,
Hmm.
right? If this was my livelihood, right, I would have made sure that I do my best in the sales, and I would have got more people. It's not a problem, right? But I am not focusing on. I was not focused on sales because my target is more people, not more sales for me. I want to reach out to more people. But so what happens is, although I got the necessary results, right? I mean, whatever, how, if I look at my numbers, they align with the market numbers. Okay. So as such, it has not really impacted me, but I would say that go the way which is working for most people.
Okay.
Okay. And if you really want high ticket, then you just reach out to people in your network who know you for last. But one more painful insight: people in your network who know you do not give you business.
Okay.
That is another, you will see one more challenge. Okay. It is very difficult to make people who know you pay you. But those are the ones who have got trust and you are able to position your offering, they will pay you directly or high ticket. So you will have to see how you will do the selling to them.
Right.
Simple way is to reach out to strangers and create this conversion funnel, because this is working for most people in the market. It's a system, it will work for you also.
All right.
Okay, so don't go for direct high ticket. You will have to go through the grind yourself, even though you are the best in what you do. Everyone goes through that grind, whoever it is, be it Vic or Tony Robbins or T. Harwaker or whoever it is. Okay, they went through the 3 4 years of grind.
Right.
Okay, to be able to do what they are able to do now. So you will have to go through that and go through that. Okay, so it's a journey. Just what my input to you is, make sure that you are continuously building your influence and continuously generating organic leads. Make sure that when you are starting your Facebook campaign, you will not switch it off, even if it means just spending 50 rupees in a week to keep the campaigns on, even if you are shortfall of budget. But the moment you decide to do, because the moment you go on and off, on and off, on and off from the Facebook campaign, your past effort, past money completely gets ruined in Facebook.
Okay.
So it is good to have a budget of 500 rupees if you are full-fledgedly promoting a program, 500 rupees a day. Otherwise, you can also simply when you're not running, for example, now last 2 months I'm not doing my Facebook campaign. February, March, I've not done anything, right? And this is the latest insight that I got, that even if you're not doing no programs are lined up, you still continue to spend money and keep, because the pixel is collecting data. Otherwise the pixel has lost its value. In Facebook there is pixel, right? Because the people who are liking your program, commenting, coming in the program, it creates a you can create a lookalike audience of who signed up previously. And the moment you stop doing Facebook campaigns, that data loses, because the pixel is building over a period of time, and you don't have enough data. 2 months no campaign happening, that's a huge insight that I got, even after working with an agency, you know that, right?
Right.
Okay, we were not supposed to stop my campaign for 2 months. They would have simply continued and generated leads.
Okay.
Okay, so very important learning: if you are doing Facebook campaign, you are just on it. You should not come out of it if this is what you want to do full time.
Right.
Okay, keep less budget, but let it keep going, and that is why there is no stopping of the Facebook campaign, because in 6 months time it will gain a lot of momentum, and your cost per lead will reduce. You right set of people will start coming into your programs. But most of the people give it in some 3 days only, Facebook campaign. Some people
Right.
give it in one campaign, they didn't get the ROI, they switch off, right? But my learning is that at least you have to give 6 months time to Facebook.
Right. But you also need to check whether the ad quality is decent enough to keep it on. Otherwise, you need to change it, right?
नहीं वो तो मॉनिटरिंग होना ही है. It is the part of running the campaign. That is why I keep saying everybody कि don't please. Are you a content creator? Are you a teacher, trainer, coach, or are you a digital marketer? Right? Because what happens is if you try to do both yourself, then you can't focus. There are so many things. Once your things pick up, right? There are so many things you can do with your audience. Give them great experience. Do something more innovative, creative for them. But if you're busy managing your campaign because that campaign is on, which is working, which is not working, what ad set is working, what audience, target audience is working, right? Then you are 4 hours goes every day, 2 to 4 hours goes in managing the Facebook campaign. That is why I'm saying it's good to just simply outsource that work. Get people who are willing to do at a reasonable price, let them monitor it because they know their job. They will make sure they will only monitor this. For example, now I'm working with a new set of people, right? So those guys are continuously on top of my campaigns. We ran some 12, 13 ad sets. And right now only 2 ad sets are on because all the other ad sets were not giving the necessary result. And the one which is working great, we had clubbed many different interests in one ad, and that is the one which was working. So now we are splitting that into individual thing and seeing which one is working more for me.
Right.
So that's why it's very important as an entrepreneur to understand what you must do and what you must outsource.
Okay.
Okay, so those are the inputs I have. I hope everybody also learned. Mehboob, you have any questions for me?
Did you ask me?
नहीं, महबूब से पूछ रही हूँ.
Not specifically for today. I was just listening to all your tips. The
Yeah.
workshop I had taken from you was about doing online courses.
Yes.
But I think this satsang scope is broader than that workshop that I had taken. Looks like that.
No, it's I'll give. Let me explain you. So satsang, the earlier when I used to do, it was more like giving lot more marketing strategies, how to write emails, this and that. Okay, but I realized that it is simply, what happens is people have not even taken actions on the previous stuff. What I will keep on giving new inputs, what they will do with it, right? So what I decided is my business satsang, I will have a Q&A. So it will cover whole gamut, whoever is in the session and wherever they are stuck. So for example, if you have a question on how to create and set this, okay. Now some of the members who participated here, they are all my customers, either personal consulting or 30-day challenge ones. So
Okay.
that is why they are asking advanced level questions because they have moved from digitization to monetization to marketing. Right. So the first stage is the digitization, but this is an open forum for anyone in the past who have attended or new ones because we are running campaign. And the scope of this session will be that whatever is the question, somebody may have a question on website, somebody may have a question on how to make videos, somebody will say my video is not converting. So I'm just addressing Q&As, and so everybody get a lot more insight, even though you are not at that stage. But now when you will do Facebook campaigns, you already have the necessary insights.
Right. My point was the clientele that you have today are not necessarily online teachers. They are from digital marketing or selling physical products, not just online courses, right? It sounded like
today's
that.
Session?
No,
Today's session?
in general, I'm saying for this satsang, it's not necessary.
Yeah.
It's not restricted to be in the online teaching course stream alone. You could be a digital
Yes.
marketer or be an entrepreneur also in another way.
Yeah, it is an open. We will have. Earlier, I decided to keep it only for knowledge givers. Then
Okay.
I ran a free campaign for the digital puzzle where those who want to learn the language of the digital world. So I got like 1,100 change some people. So I got them also involved here. So right now, whoever wants to learn something, they think I have some. They can have some value adding tips for their life. But mostly right now, again, we are doing campaigns for knowledge givers. So I think mostly business satsang will also have people who want to create and digitize their courses. Most of them, because campaigns I have stopped. So it's a mix right now. But the way I am doing it right now, even this business satsang free, I want to do it for knowledge givers only. So that everybody is in sync, in context. let's see how it goes. Though
Okay.
whoever is willing to, because these are sessions. Anybody who's stuck anywhere in their entrepreneurship journey, in the digital journey, I just
Okay.
if they want to learn from me. This is a free session, and for knowledge givers, I'm creating another weekly sessions. I'm still in the ideating stage, not implemented.
Mhm.
Where I'm trying to convert it into a membership kind of a stuff, annual membership or lifetime membership, where we will have lot more premium content focused only on knowledge givers.
Right. Or a small monthly amount recurring would also be
Yeah, I will put up that option also, monthly subscription kind of,
right. So,
annual or monthly.
for example, a cloud server that I run my personal stuff, I don't pay 6 months or 1 year. It charges about $10 a month. It
Yeah.
doesn't pinch me. So I play on that server for $10 a month. So something like that would be, at the end of the year, I will still pay up 10,000 rupees, but I wouldn't know about it. Right?
Correct,
So
correct.
if you have a monthly idea, also you could consider putting that in the options.
Yeah, the only thing is the logistics become little difficult. See,
Okay.
in software, you can track license has expired.
Right.
Right now, I am retaining the same Zoom link and everything. It becomes difficult, though the pricing will be very nominal.
You will have some assistants or somebody, right, to do track all this.
Sorry?
You'll have some tools or assistants to track the payments, right? No?
Yeah, we have, but India में वो subscription वाला अभी भी चलता नहीं है annual.
Okay, monthly.
Monthly subscription, like how software tools में you can take monthly subscription, na?
Right.
For membership, that monthly subscription nobody is
Does
using
not
in
work.
India. The banking systems only. I mean, even in Teachable, we don't have this subscription. We can't set up the banking systems don't allow that. I don't know. There is that recurring subscription and all. It
Should not be an issue, because even if people pay lump sum, banks are converting them to 12-month interest-free per month EMI anyway these days.
Yeah.
So you end up paying divide by 12 every month to the bank credit card. So shouldn't be an issue, but just I thought so. Yeah.
No. Thank you for sharing that. I actually thought about it, but what I realized is that people need a mentor, not just for 1 month or 2 months. Minimum 6 months to 1 year. You need a mentor, okay? Because there is so much to learn and this new things that minimum you will need to and coming on 30-day challenge, and also it requires a lot of your time commitment and all. But see, every week, if 1 hour session is there and there are some substantial takeaways which you can apply and come back. Right? Come back, learn more, apply. So over a period of 6 months to 1 year, you learn a lot of things, and I'm going to price it not much. It will be some
Right. Okay.
7,000 rupees or something for annual membership, and
So
some
6 monthly will be 3,500. So that's fine. I think. Yeah.
it will be like 999, 10,000 for lifetime.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's all. Because I'm working, my goals are different. I need more to reach out more and more people. So I want to keep it very affordable, because when I'm delivering the session here, whether 5 are there or 500 or 5,000, it doesn't matter.
Right. Okay. Got it.
Right. So I'm looking at it at that. I'm going to price it very nominally. Yeah. Anything else I can help you with?
No, I'll just join in, even if I don't have any specific questions on that Tuesday.
Yes.
Just listening to the tips, I think, is rewarding, so enriching. So
All right.
once it gets into the mind, the action may take next week or so, but still it is important to get it into the mind first. So
Exactly. So that's what I have realized, right? I have done so many sessions in the last 6 months. I drained out myself completely, and I realized that people have their own set of things to do. Action taking happens the way at people's pace. So it puts me off. It demotivates me. But I also realized that I have a lot of insights to give, and people enjoy listening to me. Okay, they have a lot of takeaways. So I thought, why not convert a model which I am also happy, and you guys are also happy. So you don't have to shell out a lot of money, and I like to share what I know. So why not create a model based on that, rather than getting into a typical coaching format of 30-day challenge and then personal consulting and this and that. So I don't want to do any of that. Okay, I will only take up personal consulting for 6 people is what I can take. I'm saying that from the beginning. I already have 6 right now. So I'm not bothered about the next level sale. I just want people to have access to the right knowledge so they can reduce their chances of failure, increase their chances of winning. And right now, COVID times, be self-sufficient. Have reduce your dependency on your employer or your whatever, your educational institute, whatever. You're a teacher. Even 100 students, if you get, and if you have an offering for 10,000 rupees per month, if you get 100 students, after 3 to 6 months of your initiation, and each student is paying say 10,000 on an average, it's a good money. And
Right,
it's not at all a difficult. Anybody can afford to get 100 students.
And the thing you are saying is it could be a life, and it's not a annual thing. You are also having a lifelong
Yeah,
payment.
I'm also having a lifeline offer because I want lifelong offer. I want people to be associated lifelong. So I want a lifelong offer. And there are 52 weeks in a year, and there may be some weeks where I'm not able to do the session. So I'm committing 40 sessions in 1 year for sure.
Oh, I see.
Right, there's so much of things in our life, business, entrepreneurship, there's so much to share. There's so much to share. And then I also plan to get some guest speakers also, who have a lot more to contribute.
Right.
Yeah, thanks, Dhruv. All right, so I will see you guys next Tuesday. I didn't promote this time much because I just recovered from COVID and I'm still recovering. I cough actually after speaking a lot. So I just wanted to just get this back. So I just invited only the business satsang group because there are some active learners there and my 30-day challenge and personal consulting people who came for today's session. A lot of families are suffering with COVID and most of them are not able to make it because some or the other family member is having COVID and they could not make it here today. So, but whatever it is, unless you see a cancellation email from me or a message on the Business Satsang group that we are not having the session, we will continue to have 9 p.m. Tuesdays business satsang. Why I call it satsang? Because sat means truth, sang means in the company of truth. So we will learn the truth related to business in these sessions.
Great.
All right. Good night. Take care, and I will see you next Tuesday. Good night, Dhruv. Take care. Yeah. Bye.
Good night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.